Healthy recipes for breakfast. A simple and healthy breakfast? It's like putting on your seatbelt before driving. It's a small action that can make a big difference in your day. Just grab something like whole grain cereal, a banana, or a yogurt. It's not only tasty, but gives your body the energy it needs to kickstart your morning. So, remember to have your breakfast. It's your daily power-up. Number 1. Oatmeal with chia seeds and almonds. Ingredients: 1 2-cup rolled oats, 1 cup almond milk, or your choice of milk, 1 tablespoon chia seeds, 1 4-teaspoon vanilla extract, 1 4-cup sliced almonds, fresh berries or sliced banana for topping, honey or maple syrup for sweetness, optional. Instructions: in a saucepan, combine the rolled oats and almond milk. Bring the mixture to a simmer over medium heat, stirring occasionally. Once it starts to thicken, add chia seeds and vanilla extract. Continue cooking for a few more minutes until the oats reach your desired consistency. Remove from heat and transfer to a bowl. Top with sliced almonds, fresh berries, or banana slices. Drizzle with honey or maple syrup for sweetness if desired. Serve hot and enjoy your hearty oatmeal. Number 2. Banana and almond butter smoothie. Ingredients: 1 ripe banana, 2 tablespoons almond butter, 1 cup almond milk or any milk of your choice, 1 2-teaspoon cinnamon, optional, 1 2-teaspoon honey, optional, ice cubes, optional. Instructions: add the ripe banana, almond butter, almond milk, cinnamon, and honey, if desired, to a blender. Blend until smooth. If you prefer a thicker smoothie, add some ice cubes and blend again. Pour into a glass and enjoy your creamy and protein-packed smoothie. These recipes offer a variety of options for a healthy and satisfying breakfast. Feel free to customize them to your taste preferences and dietary requirements. Enjoy. Subscribe and follow on other social media platforms.
Please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.